This new reality caused us to feel that we need to do something new, and we try to find new solutions for the loneliness and the isolation of these elderly people that we have here.
This is Obie. It's a smart unit. It contains a high-quality projector, computer, sensors, and a variety of games that are suited for senior population. With this evolving situation in the past few months, we identified the need and realized that this technology can bring a lot of value to the senior population, which is at high risk now and isolated and have very specific needs.
This system is so good for our senior residents because it's working on a virtual surface. Usually they would be working on a puzzle, on a computer, on a tablet, and because of the medical situation today, we're not able to assure sterilization of all these areas. When they work on the Obie system, it is sterile. It is a perfect solution to this problem.
The Obie is very hygienic. This is actually completely sterile because you don't touch anything. The residents that play it, they touch the light, and when they touch the light, the motion detection system enables a cause and effect in the game itself, and by doing that, there is something that happens in the game scenario.
Obie can project on floors, on tables, or on walls without the need for any additional accessories or infrastructure. It turns any physical space to a full interactive area that can be enjoyed safely by the users.
This system enables us as professionals, as occupational therapists, to treat the patients by making use of both the cognitive and motor skill aspects of treatment, where for us, the act of helping them move their hands can be challenging, and all the while, they experience a colorful, highly engaging game that's fun. They see these objects moving around, and it inspires them to move along with them. They stay active, and we achieve that without having to ask them to raise their hand or lower their hand. They just do it on their own.
We use a panel of experts, of world-renowned experts, that helping us to adapt the games and the content to the cognitive needs and physical needs of the senior population.
There has been a large body of research demonstrating that cognitive enhancement may slow down cognitive decline in the elderly and may improve their cognition. But in order for that to happen, all these cognitive activities have to be engaging, because if they are boring, then nobody is going to participate in them. Obie's games are really beautifully designed. It's a beautiful visual and auditory experience. So they offer a wide range of cognitive activities.
Obie can be played either alone or with friends and creates a fun experience that combines both the body and the mind and connects the seniors with their friends and their family.
I've been using the system for over 4 years now. One of the things I really enjoy is intergenerational activity. When grandchildren come to visit their grandparents, it can often be boring or a difficult communication. When they're both using the Obie system, amazing communication is created. These children are going to remember these times with their grandparents.
For us, it's really a great satisfaction to see that our technology can help this population, which is now at stress and at high risk. We are very grateful and satisfied from the fact that we can bring some benefit to this population.
I think that this system should be in every old age home, assisted living accommodation, and day center for seniors. It simply brings so much joy and happiness to everybody who uses it.